Conveying an image of prestige and success is critical when you're a leader, and nothing conveys success like the AmpliVox Coventry wood lectern. This elegant lectern proudly displays its beautiful hardwood veneer and has features that make it a spacious multimedia command center for all your technology needs. There's a sliding table for multimedia projector or other technology, sliding keyboard drawer, and plenty of storage space inside locking rear doors. There's also cable management accessibility and custom cutouts as necessary for your components. AmpliVox can even install rack rails to mount your equipment in place. This is part of AmpliVox's vast multimedia lectern capabilities. We can accommodate a wide range of accessories such as lamps, Viewport monitor windows, cooling fans, timers, and more. We can even put your logo on it. The Coventry Lectern's spacious 42-inch wide black laminate work surface helps make the lectern your complete presentation command center. Spacious and solid, the lectern moves easily on 4 hidden casters. The lectern is available in 5 colors. The Coventry Lectern features a 6-year warranty. It comes fully assembled and ships by truck. Extend your voice and project your image with AmpliVox.